So I have a Southwest sweet potato boat for you. The beauty about this is it doesn't really change too much what you normally do, but I just take that same taco seasoning that y'all have seen me use plenty of times. I shredded some chicken, put that in there, tossed in some bell peppers, tossed in a little bit of black beans over top of these freshly baked sweet potatoes. So now you got smoky, you got creamy, add a little bit of cheese on top, you got cheesy, and it's best part about it, it's healthy. And this is a nice way to start off your meal prep. And these boats pack a lot of food and a lot of flavor. With these sweet potato boats, let's get started on the sweet potatoes. I've already just washed and dried them, and then I took a fork and poked some holes in them to let some of the steam vent out because you don't want them to blow up when they're in the oven. And just going straight into the oven. Be honest, I got a cafe oven. All I do is just put baked sweet potatoes, the weight of them. I got two, one's a 12, one's a 14 ounce. Just press the button, it does all the work for me. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I got a pot of boiling water going right now, and then I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt to it, nothing too much. It's not like we're boiling pasta or anything like that. There's no really set measurement. And then I have 2 chicken breasts that I'm gonna put in here and just boil. And we just wanna boil these until they're done. When they're done cooking, it'll probably take about 10 minutes or so, because we're just gonna shred them and then we're gonna recook them after that to get you that Southwest flavor once we season them up. But just get them cooked thoroughly through, then we'll take 2 forks and shred them. Now we're gonna get started on this filling. So I got half of a medium onion and 3 cloves of garlic in here. Just gonna get a quick little, I don't know I'm doing that. Get my hand. It's a lot easier. All right. So just gonna get a little saute on this, about 2-3 minutes. Nothing major. I just kind of want to soften the vegetables a little bit. Start off with a pinch of salt. Just a little bit of pepper. Want to add in my shredded chicken. So this is actually going to cook pretty quickly just because our chicken's already cooked. We're basically just getting a little seasoning on it. And if there was any parts of that chicken that didn't get cooked, this is just to make sure it's all cooked all the way through. And then so I'm gonna use my normal taco seasoning. Y'all have heard me say it 1,000,001 times. Chili powder, smoked paprika, cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, a little Italian seasoning. 2 teaspoons of each. So I have 1 bell pepper, 1 red bell pepper, and 1 green bell pepper that I'm gonna add in. I'm adding these in a little bit later because I want to kind of keep the texture of these bell peppers, not overcook them. So I turn my heat down a little bit as well. Turn it about to a low, medium low. And then so I'm just gonna let these kind of cook in here for about 5 minutes at this temperature. And then after that, I will cut it off and let it all sit together and just let the heat from the chicken and the rest of the dish kind of get the rest of the cook on them. But like I said, not trying to overcook these too much because I still want the texture. Now that I got all this mixed up, I just got 1 can of black beans that I've rinsed. I'm gonna add these in as well. These are already cooked, so you can put them in whenever. But I just like to put them in here now so I'll get all this flavor together. And it's a lot easier to mix them up. So now I got my sweet potatoes out the oven. Just gonna cut them in half, right down the middle, longwise. Gonna put them back onto our pan. And then when I do this, I just kind of like to cut the sweet potato a little bit in the middle, just kind of mash it up slightly. So this way I can fit a little bit more of the filling in the inside. Not doing this like a twice baked potato, but it's still kind of that fashion, just not scooping it out to recook. Just smashing down a little bit so I can make some more room to put my filling in the inside. So once I've got that done, now just go in with my filling. Now we're just gonna fill up each one of these boats, sweet potato boats, that is. Once I've filled up all the boats, I got a little bit of cheese that I'm then gonna put over on top. Probably about I'm not even gonna make up an estimate for you. Just enough to cover the potato. So now I got my oven set at 350. We're just gonna put these in the oven for about 10 minutes. Really, we just kind of want to get this cheese to melt, and then you're ready.
Hi.
You're funny, dude.
Hey, buddy. Come here. All right, do you want to try a little bite? Do you? Okay. There's a little bit of cheese on it.
I like this.
You want to dollop the sour cream?
Yes.
You like it? Would you actually eat this? You would eat it? Hey, man. Does this mean you like it? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I guess that's a good review.
Hi.
Hi, buddy. All right, now for my try. This is so good. This is so good. Yes. Sweet meets salty meets savory. That's how you perfectly describe this dish. That natural sweetness of the sweet potato, and then you get the saltiness of the chicken, and the whole way it's seasoned is just, it's a savory, sweet, and salty bite all in one time. You will probably never eat another sweet potato a different way. I got some faith in that one.